This video was meant to be more interesting because this is the Holy Week and the Orthodox Easter is on Sunday the 16th. But what happened was on Tuesday night my dad had a stroke and I had to bring him to hospital. So he's currently in the hospital and I'm going through a very hard time because I'm not sure how things are going to be. Now the doctors say that luckily I brought him on time to the hospital, so luckily there won't be such a big damage in his brain. But like up to yesterday his speech was not clear at all and I was really worried about if it was going to get better or not. It's raining a little bit, I'm sorry about that. But you see here the trees are getting ready to cover with leaves. Some of them have covered already. So this is the update, but I wanted to show you how we celebrate Easter, and unfortunately you can make plans as much as you like, but God is the one who decides what will happen. I've spent the entire week running between my home and the hospital. That's why I couldn't film all the church traditions. But regardless, I decided to go ahead with this video because life does not always go according to plan. Circumstances can change very quickly and we need to treasure every moment with the people we love. The most interesting church traditions take place on Good Friday, and on Holy Saturday there is a huge midnight mass around every church, and it's much more festive than Christmas. I couldn't go to the midnight mass, but on Good Friday I went to pray and pass under the table. The table is a symbol of the grave of Jesus Christ. It's decorated with a shroud, a symbol of the shroud that was wrapped around the body of Jesus. I'm about to pass under the table. I just had to leave my bag on the side. And probably it would have been more authentic if I went to a church in the city center. But even in this local church, you can see the symbolism of this tradition. In case you would like to know, this church is dedicated to St.Stefan and it's located in my neighborhood. The construction of the building started back in 2004, but it stopped for several years and now they are working on it again. Eventually, it's going to be a huge cathedral. So these are candles that you light for example, I lighted a candle for Jesus Christ, Virgin Mary, Archangel Michael, who is my patron, and one candle for my dad, who is in hospital. And over here you light a candle for the dead people. So I'm gonna light a candle for my mom. I just wanted to show you the eggs because yesterday when I came home I was suddenly in the mood to paint eggs because I saw that my dad is making an improvement, and I decided to paint eggs so that tomorrow when he comes home he can feel the spirit of Easter. The Sofia Zoo is located very close to the hospital where my dad was staying, and after visiting him I went for a walk. If you want to see a more detailed video about the zoo, you can click on the link in the upper corner. I wanted to visit again because I heard on TV that the zoo has some new species like servals, two jaguars, snakes, and I also saw a piranha fish. Do you see the teeth? They are usually about 4 millimeters long and razor sharp. The piranha lives in South America and is known for its relentless bite. This seems like a fox. Oh no, it's Canis aureus. It's not a fox. It's many of them. I definitely felt distracted from my problems because I love nature and animals, and I always feel recharged when I'm outdoors. By the way, this video was filmed during the days before I took Daddy home. He is already with me making progress every day, but he needs a lot of assistance and his recovery is going to be my priority. With that being said, I'm not planning to give up on YouTube, but I hope you understand that the uploads will not be as consistent. Finally, I would like to share with you some footage from the cherry blossoms at the South Park. This year they lasted quite long. Bye for now, and I hope to see you soon.